All right, in an effort to kind of save some class time, I thought I'd make this video to kind of let you know a little bit about the Classroom Economy tab on our website. And so what you guys are going to do, you're going to be doing direct deposit from now on. So that means your clerks are not going to be writing your checks, but you'll be able to actually just go ahead. The check will be deposited, and you just need to keep track of that on paycheck day. So if you're ever wondering how much money you're supposed to be making, click on paycheck info. Bankers, if you're ever wondering how much money needs to be deposited, that's the same place that you would go to see your clients and how much money they make. As far as bonus money, what you guys will be doing instead of taking class time to do bonus money, I think that's something that we can do at home. I have this list right here. There's a few new things on here than what we've done before. On Khan Academy, on your bonus money log, let's pretend, here, let's open up a bonus money log. You can have a digital one, just you'd have to save a copy of this one, or you can have your paper one. And let's say my bonus money, I had 78,000 points. Today is the 16th. Khan Academy, 78,429 points. I'm going to put the exact amount of points on there at the end of the month, okay? And then I'm going to go to this link right here, and then I'm going to see how much I get for having that much at the end of the month. I get $300, so I'm going to put $300. And I'm going to wait until I actually get the money, and when I get the money I'm going to put date received, okay? And then next month I'm going to go ahead and put my new Khan Academy amount, maybe 12.9 or 12.15, and let's say I got up to 104,032. Then that time I'll be making $350, okay? So I put 350, whoops, 350. But if I didn't actually make it to 100, let's say I only got Khan Academy 92,413, that means I've gotten up to 75,000, but I already got the money for 75,000, so I'm not going to get the $300 again. I don't get money until I get up to 100,000. I have to wait till the end of the month for that. So those resources will be there for you. There's a few other things on here. If you have 100 on any math quiz, you get $50. If you have 100 on a test, this includes any class. It's going to be a summative test. I know there's a lot of questions on what a test is. Anything that counts as a summative grade, you get $200, but we're going to limit it to 3 non-math tests per month. So you can get as $200 for every math test you get 100 on, but just to kind of keep it a level playing field, because not everyone's going to be getting hundreds, and some people are really great at getting hundreds. Let's limit it to 3 non-math tests per month. So maybe you get a social studies 100, a English 100, and a science 100. Let's limit it to those 3. Okay. Extracurriculars, I have a few listed right here. If you have questions about that, email me. Each time that you're in one, get $100. Coming to office hours, you have to stay for at least 30 minutes, and it can't be mandatory for you. And this last one right here, you have to read a book. But one thing about reading a book is it must be at least 250 pages, and I understand some books you're reading are 300, 400, 500, and you may want to get more money for that, but we'll just leave it at one set rate, at least 250 pages, and you have to create a Tack review of the book, and these are going to be very similar to your book reviews in your English classes, things you like, things you didn't like, just ask me a question if you're really not sure on how to do that, it would be the way that you would do it in English. If you're not sure about Tack, just explore the website. It's pretty simple to make a little presentation on Tack. And we're going to limit this to 4 books a month. And the reason I'm doing that is because some people are real avid readers and some people just don't read very much at all. And I kind of want to create a level playing field in some way, not give someone, a small group of people, a super great advantage over everyone else. Whereas readers, if they read 8 books a month, 9 books a month, they're making almost $2,000 a month, and that's quite the. I want to keep it a level playing field. Okay, so we'll limit it to 4 books a month, and if you have questions about those, just shoot me an email. So have this stuff done when you come to class on the days that I'm going to be giving bonus money. I'll let you know when to put that in your planners, and then we'll keep that in mind. Shoot me an email if you have questions about this, and happy saving.